Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a party you enjoy. The first question is, why do people like parties? In my view, people enjoy parties because they provide opportunities for social interaction and bonding with friends and family. Also, it is a great way to celebrate special occasions and experience joyous atmosphere. Joyous, happy. Okay. Second question is, why do some people not like going to parties? Well, some individuals do not enjoy parties because they are introverts. They prefer quieter activities such as reading a book or video games. Also, many people do not enjoy loud music, which is common for parties. The third question is, do you think those who tend to stay at home are less healthy than those who often attend parties? No, it is not necessarily true that people who prefer staying at home are less healthy than those who frequently attend parties. Health is influenced by various factors, including diet, exercise, and mental well being, which can be cultivated, it can be generated both within and outside of party settings. Okay? Fourth question is, do you think music and dancing are must at a party? Yes, I feel that music and dancing are very important to any party as they are pleasing to the ear and eyes. They help in elevating people's mood and are a vital essence of a good party. Essence, kind of like very important. Okay, vital means important. Okay, fifth and the last question is, what would you do if you were disturbed by a neighbor's party? Well, if I get disturbed by a neighbor's party, I would first attempt to address the situation diplomatically by politely discussing the noise concern with the neighbor. Diplomatically, like in a friendly manner. Okay. If the issue persists, I would consider contacting relevant authorities to help find a mutually satisfactory resolution. Mutually, it helps both the individuals, okay, both the sides. Okay, so this was the follow-up questions and the answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button